test drive the 2018 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, power sunroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.